Hello everyone, wish you have a good day. I'm Nurul. I have a computer application midterm test. So I make this video to show you tutorial how to make a good PowerPoint in Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. First, I'm going to my browser to download the template. You actually can make your own template, but I usually just download the template in the internet like this. You just need to type free aesthetic PowerPoint template, so you can choose any link that you want. There are so many templates, you just need to choose the best one template that you like and download it. As you can see, here are so many templates you can use. Next step is you can go to your file explorer and open the template that you have downloaded before in Microsoft PowerPoint. So in here I already edit my PowerPoint, so I just have to show you how I edit my PowerPoint. You can change the color of your slide. You can click the shape fill and choose any color there. And also you can change the background with any pictures. And you just need to click that. You can tag your pictures on your file. You can make your PowerPoint with your own creativity. You can use any font here, and there are so many kind of font, and here is you can also change the layout. If you click the insert on the top, you can add some chart on your PowerPoint, and also you can add some video or sounds. And if you want to add transition, you can click the animation on the top beside on design from, and you just need to choose the best one that you like. So in here I want to add sound on this slide, so I just click the insert and sound, and I just need to choose any sound in my file and click that. So yeah, this is the result of my PowerPoint. I hope this video can help you to understand and can make your own PowerPoint. Thank you for your attention, and correct me if I'm wrong. Nice to see you everyone. Bye bye.